Criminal paragraph 100 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mia Chanu, Stenographers Academy, Mia Chanu. Ready? Start. The learned counsel for the petitioner contended that the accused respondent has committed the murder of Muhammad Yaqub in broad daylight. Full stop. He was charged in promptly lodged FIR. Full stop. The version of complainant have got corroboration of the ocular testimony of Ubaidullah. Full stop. The contents of FIR have got corroboration from the site plan wherefrom the investigation officer has recovered empty shells of 7.62 bore from 2 points close to the points allocated to the accused respondent and the absconding accused. Full stop. The motive behind the occurrence is also attributed to the accused respondent. Full stop. The accused respondent remained absconder in the case and he was proceeded under sections 240 and 87, CRPC. Full stop. All these facts are sufficient to establish a prima facie case against the accused respondent. Full stop. The statements of defense witnesses to support the plea of alibi of accused respondent is nothing but mere concoction. Full stop. The investigation of the accused respondent was already complete and challan was submitted. Full stop. The subsequent investigation was illegal and a collusive action. Full stop. The accused respondent was placed in column number 2 without any notice to the complainant. Full stop. In these circumstances, he prayed for setting aside the impugned order and cancellation of the bail granted to the accused respondent. Full stop. New para. The learned counsel for the accused respondent vehemently contended that the accused respondent has rightly been placed in column number 2 of the challan on the basis of evidence collected during the investigation conducted by the inspector, CIA. Full stop. Also submitted that in a case where the accused is placed in column number 2 of the challan, the accused becomes entitled to the concession of bail. Full stop. New para. The learned assistant advocate general, representing the state, also supported the learned counsel for the complainant petitioner. Full stop. I have gone through the record and heard the learned counsel at a great length. Full stop. It is an established principle of administration of justice that in disposal of bail petition a tentative assessment of the evidence brought before the court is made. Full stop. In a case where the accused in charged for committing non-bailable offence punishable for 10 years or more, the court shall look into, where a prima facie case exists against the accused or not. Full stop. If the prosecution brings on record reasonable evidence to connect the accused with the commission of offence, the court will have no jurisdiction to grant bail to such an accused. Full stop. If the evidence brought on record by the prosecution does not connect the accused reasonably with the commission of offence, the court may grant him bail